I'm your host, Gary Singh Gorewal, uh, calling from California, USA. In today's world, network is a necessity. A mountain of research shows that professional network leads to more jobs and business opportunities, broader and deeper knowledge. There are many different types of networks: computer networking, television networking, social networking, business networking, and of course, most important also community networking. So let me start community networking, today's topic. We can ensure that NRA community network will not only enable you to give back to your community, but will provide opportunities to grow personally, develop as a leader, create a network, and make international connections. For the past 25 years, we have been providing free service to the NRI community worldwide, and we are always there for NRIs when they need help from us. Please listen today our topic: why is networking important in community services and what is the advantage of community networking? Thank you. And what you suggest us as a Indian community and our community, some network we have to do it, or maybe people have to more and more like that. We should have to get together.
Network among our community is always very, very
Okay.
essential. The
Okay.
reason Jews people are successful because they have a great network. They have trained their kids. When the child is born, they're told your homeland is Israel. Okay, you are Jew by birth, not by choice. You are going to be Jew. You have to go to Jew school. You have to learn that language. You have to marry a Jew, controlling the economy of whole America. So similar way, we are beside business point of view. We're a lot of we people are, baby boomers feeling a challenges about the future of our children. Our children are educated, but we're not finding matches for them. You know, it's a very big challenge. ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਦੇ, ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਭਦੀਆਂ.
Right. A lot of.
Very hard to find a match because there is no network. I mean, that's good. You have called Jeevan Singh Ji Gill from Canada that, we not only need to have a network among our counties, in our cities, in our states, in our countries, but our neighboring countries also.
Yeah. Right.
Because
Right.
we share
Right.
the same values. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ 32 33 33 35
Yes.
35 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ, they just can't
Yeah.
find any matches. It's a
They
big
cannot
problem
find a
for
matches.
us.
Right.
The
Right.
Punjabi have no network. How is he going to market himself? If we don't have a network, how is going to Gopal Singh ji, network his business, or how am I going to network my business? So we need to come together as a community, city wise and county wise and the uh, state wise and the national wise and international wise. So
Beautiful.
businessy, politically, socially, economically, we rise together.
Thank you very much. Gopalji, what would you think networking would be needed?
I
Something.
think, Gary Saab, you are doing a wonderful job and you have taken the initiative and you need to take this to the next level. I think our networking in our community has stopped at Gurdwara only. And we go to Gurdwara and our networking start from there and stay over there. So, but in my opinion, unless and until we are having a gathering and we discuss on some subject, the way Sarabji said about the marriages and all that, the same way, the way you are saying about economy, so there should be different subjects
The difference.
and we should involve other peoples, make some panels and discuss that on this platform. I mean to say without networking, without proper networking, like the people have the Chamber of Commerce.
Yeah.
Go to Chamber of Commerce, so you get out of that something. The same way in our community, so we should have different topics we should have a serial of those get-togethers, and we should have a proper networking among our community. Our community is very successful. We have not to go here and there, so in case we are focused in our community and bring them to one platform.
Yeah, beautiful.
And how difficult that is, I don't know. You know it better, But it's very difficult also because everybody is educated in our community, so everybody is thinking, so nobody is smarter than me, so that way it's a little bit difficult. But I think you need to innovate little bit more, so involve the local and the abroad community and bring them together the way we discuss, so let's have some annual function here in Los Angeles, where we are going to invite people from Canada and from India, so, and we can have some kind of panels, so where we can discuss what need to be done to bring our community closer. We are not close enough. We are close only at the Gurdwara. Once we are out of Gurdwara, our closeness goes away, So just to have that, so we need Gary Saab.
Jeevan Gilji, I used to meet him 20 years ago in Windsor all the time from Detroit. My attorney was actually Jew in an engineering company. So I talked to him one time. I said, how come you have only 8% or something like that? How do you control everything for that? He just only tell one thing. He said, you people make a white elephants, like a mandars, gurdwaras, like this. He knows very well. And what we did in New York, we have limited community in 1960s like this in New York. We have two things we did it. One is fund we created only for education. Any kids can get a money from us, that we do it. Secondly, anybody buy that any TV station, radio station, they start from Niagara Falls, then New York, then Washington, up to California now. Jeevan ji, you are very...
I just add on like a couple of good points raised by Gurpal Singh ji, and as you said, like we know that in last 10 years there's technology-wise a lot changes came into the industry, and it has come into our lifestyle too. And the only way we can get connected, as we can say, world is getting smaller. We cannot, before, like if I'm engaged in my city, now I know that somebody is coming from California or somebody is going to California or New York. If I can assist him sitting here to them, that will, he has more trust on me that whoever I'm going to send it to, that he can get the same service level, and he has more confidence instead of talking to a new person whom he may not known, and then he may complain, oh, I stuck with that person and he give me a very poor job. So this is what, like, where the networking starts from. And one thing is like our culture is the same, or our languages are same, that will build up more trustworthy. And another thing is like, I think Gurpal ji raised it, they said like there was a commerce, Chamber of Commerce. I seen it in the Chamber of Commerce, like Indian Chamber of Commerce. So they bring it Indian business together in Canada or different countries, people coming over there talking on a bigger scale. Like it is not just a reference for a real estate or mortgage or anything. Like we have an investor, they want to put it up in industry, or they want to do anything. Like they can come up at one platform if they have money. And same way as mentioned about Jules has done, we have to be making that pool where we can help each other. If you are helping me, you are feeling good about that. Maybe you are getting some benefit too, and I'm getting benefit too. Like both are happy, and that way, like we can increase our numbers. So everybody is helping each other. And then the other issue raised by Sarabjit Singh ji, that issues also we can start talking about these issues. These are the problem. How we can find and rectify these problems. That is only with the discussion. Now we have chances, like both Sarbjit Singh and Gurpal Singh, I seen the first time. Maybe I have seen them on Facebook or other news, but I don't know. Now, like anytime I can see, next time I can, oh, he's from New York Life. So if anything is happening or anything I want to know about insurance or anything, even I have a contact there. So I don't have to look into around. Even the what is called the technology made it easier. You can punch in something and you find it. That is what my 2 cents.
Why I got an idea there long time ago, because my daughter bought a house from one lady. Then she also sold again through her after 1 year because she was moving to California. She made 2 times refer. Third time she gave a refer here too. That also sold here. You see 3 refer. So my purpose is we need a network. Our market should be stay together. That money will be stay in our market also in the future. So this is my concept there. So
I 100% agree. I 100% agree with you.
We will work together.
Sure, that is the way. Like see, that is why like where we can find the other problem. It's not only business. Like we want to uplift our communities. We have a knowledge, we have an education, we have a strength, we have a money, but we need to bring our community uplift. Like that is what it comes from the discussion.
Very good closing. Sarbjit, only close that. Please.
Haji, so thank you for arranging this. We need to continue to have dialogues among each other and bring awareness among our community, and let's bring community together and through technology. And Canada
right.
Let's make the best of technology and let's bring the whole our community together.
Right.
Thank you, Gadi ji.